Okay, guys, for the next set of questions, we're gonna answer yes, I can, no, I can't. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Can you cook? Can you cook?
Yes, I can.
Can you ride a bike? Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Can you dance? Can you dance?
No, I can't.
Can you play the piano? Can you play the piano?
No, I can't.
Can you swim? Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you draw a picture? Can you draw a picture?
Yes, I can.
Can you sing? Can you sing?
Yes, I can.
Can you ski? Can you ski?
No, I can't.
Can you use chopsticks? Can you use chopsticks?
Yes, I can.
Can you jump rope? Can you jump rope?
No, I can't.
Good job, guys. Way to go. Very good.